Hey guys, welcome to Beauty and Lifestyle by Anindita. Today I'll talk about this one, guys. This is my new Sony headset. I just bought it. Actually, I already have headsets, but I really like this one, and I thought I should buy a new one because my old one, I was having coffee and my cup fell, and it actually spoiled now. I cannot hear properly, so I had to buy a new headset, and this is what I bought. I bought this one from Flipkart, guys. I have actually opened it. I have used it. That's the reason why I could not pack it properly once again. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the thing where you have the headset. I mean the wire, the thing. So yeah, this is pretty much it, guys, and it has the manual also. The manual was inside. I mean the manual will tell you nothing much. I mean you know how to use a headset, and this is the product, guys. It's really very nice, attractive, and yes, it is Sony, so the quality is awesome. Very nice quality. If you are looking for a headset, if you are working in BPOs or something, and if you are working from home, then yes, this is what you need. Buy this one, guys. This is a very nice quality headset. See, guys, this is how it looks. It looks really awesome. It's so glamorous, so fantastic, and you can keep it like this. It does not take much space. That is the best part. And then you can open it. So this is how you open it, and you can adjust also according to your height, like this. So it becomes bigger, and if you do not want this much, if your head is smaller, then you do like this. That's all, guys. And if you want to carry it somewhere, you can carry it once again. You can fold it like this, and yeah, you can carry it. And this is the thing, guys. This is really awesome. This is wonderful, guys. It will fit into your phone, a laptop, anything, and you can watch songs, music while working. And like I just said, if you are working in a BP or something, you need a very good headset. You can try this one. Or not even only BPO, but if you are working, nowadays it's working from home, so obviously you need a headset. You have your meetings, everything, you have to connect a good headset to your laptop. So this is the one, guys, you should buy. And let's talk about pricing and all. I hope it's mentioned over here. I'm not sure. Let me just check. I think it should be mentioned here. Well, guys, I don't see it. I'm so sorry. I will mention the price in the description box. You can find it out from there. But actually it is around 2000 rupees, little more or less. That's all I remember. I do not remember the exact price, but I bought it from Flipkart, and I bought it with a huge discount. Again, I'm so sorry, I don't remember the price now, and I do not find it anywhere. It does not have any outer packaging also, so I'm sorry, guys, I do not have the price. This is the Flipkart sticker, so no matter what you buy from Flipkart, you always see this sticker over there, and the price is not here, guys. Oh my god, yes, it's there. It's 2190. 2190 matlab 2200. It is there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, it's 2190 rupees, and like I just said, I got from Flipkart, and with a very good discount. I'm really happy about that. I love to buy things, and I love to buy things when there are discounts. I feel good. So, and that's all I really had to talk about this one. Not only me, sometimes my husband will also take it and use it because of the look. It looks really attractive. Sometimes my daughter, because she is also doing her online classes, and she'll take my headphones sometimes when I have off, and this is how it looks. This is how it is, guys. It looks really good, and it's comfortable, I must say. Let me just yeah, it is really comfortable, guys. You see, it fits so nicely, and if you need little more, you can always increase the size, or you can simply make it tight fit like this. And this is the part. It has a microphone also. This is the microphone, guys. As you can see, the microphone is a very tiny and very nice. If you are using it with your mobile phone, then also you can use it. Sometimes when you go for a jogging, you need a phone where you can or like iPod or something, where you are playing music and at the same time you are walking. So then these are the headset which will help you a lot. They will not they will actually help you listen to the music and walk or jog, whatever. And since this part is very nice, the mic, it is very small, guys. I don't think I can show you. It's very small hole, This is the mic, and this is the call taking or call disconnecting button. It does not have a volume control. Let me be very honest with you. That is the only drawback I feel. This one does not have a volume control. There are headsets which will come with a volume control. They are very nice, guys. This one does not have a volume control, but still the voice quality is fantastic. If you are talking, you will sound really good, and if you are listening to something, then the clarity is really great. Ek to this is Sony. We all know Sony is one of the best brands, trusted. Sorry for my nail polish. Actually, I'm shooting a couple of videos today, and with this nail polish I'm shooting my videos. I never did that before. I did not have time to wear nail polish, so yeah, this is the headset, guys. That's all. Overall it's a very good thing. I will give it a thumbs up. If you are looking for a good headset within budget, you can try this one. This is 2000 plus. It may sound little costly, but yes, if you go through the online shopping portals, you can buy it with a very, very nice discount. Discounts are always available, but sometimes during the Independence Day or Durga Puja, Diwali, Dussehra, then the discounts are more. So if you are looking for something and looking for a very good discount, then wait for those times and buy them. I bought it now, but then the discount was quite good. I bought it and I'm really happy, guys. It looks good. This maroon color wire, it really looks good. When you are walking, people will look at you for your headset. If you are wanting some kind of attention, you can also buy this one. The only drawback, like I said, it does not have a volume control button, but the microphone is fantastic. It's very good. It will give you a very nice clarity of voice if you are talking, and if you are listening to a phone call, or even if you are in a meeting or something, then also the quality is very nice. You can continue wearing just one headset the whole day. You will not feel tired. This is a very nice headset, guys. A big thumbs up. If you are looking for a headset, you can buy this one. Okay, I'll put the model number, the exact model number, in my description box. You can find it out from there. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not subscribed yet, yeah, there's a subscribe button. Please subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you with a very new product once again. But in the meantime, if you want me to review any particular product, do put in the comment section any product which is related to beauty or lifestyle. I'll be more than happy to come and talk about that product. And that's all for today, guys. Just be happy, keep smiling, be confident. That's the key to success. Give a smile to yourself every morning when you are awake, and again, like every night when you are going to bed, no matter what's happening around, no matter what people are talking about you, because they will do this, they will talk about you, they will break you like anything. But yes, you have to stand up once again. You have to stand by yourself, and only then you will be able to stand properly. Yeah, if you know what I mean. So yeah, with that, I'll end today's video, guys. Take care of yourself, eat good food, sleep properly, give yourself a smile every day, no matter what's happening around. And I'll see you definitely in my next video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.